Hi, I'm John and welcome to Product Spotlight. Today we have a model from Atlas that we're going to take a look at, so let's head over to the workbench. Alright, so here's what we're looking at today. This is an O-scale 3-bay cylindrical hopper. These come from Atlas, and it's in Atlas's Master Series. They come in both 3-rail and 2-rail. This one happens to be a 2-rail. The 3-rail versions come in 4 different paint schemes and list price at $77.95. And the 2-rail ones come in 4 different paint schemes for $82.95. According to the Atlas website, the minimum diameter curve for the 3-rail version of this model is 0.31, and the minimum radius curve for the 2-rail version is 36 inches. Your best bet would be to go to the Atlas website and see if they have the one you're looking for. The paint and markings on this model are very good. I thought I noticed on the left side in this hooker logo that the white isn't completely opaque, but it still looks pretty good. Something else worth noting is that the Atlas website says that these models are designed to 1/4 inch scale. So taking a look at the brake end, you can see there's a lot of very nice details going on, including what I always call detail behind the detail. That's all these little brake components back inside there. And if you look from this angle, you can see there's also an air hose. So there's a lot of really good detail going on with this model. Here we see a brief look at the other side of the car. And this brief look at the A end of the car reveals similar detail, including the air hose and brake detail back in here. All right, so we'll take a look at the roof detail. And I gotta say, this is really good. This looks like all photo etch stuff. I think it's plastic though, but O-scale's so big that it looks like photo etch stuff. But the real cool thing about this model is these hatches actually open. You want to be careful if you open them, but just give you an idea. That's pretty cool. All 6 hatches open, and that would be a great reason why the hatch detail is so good. They're actually working hatches. And here's the other cool thing about this, which is if you ever needed to add weight to a model like this, you could put extra weight in through the hatches. You don't even have to take the model apart. Looking at the bottom of the model, you can see that there's pretty good discharge gate detail. And just for your information, these are spring die-cast 100-ton roller bearing trucks. And what's also cool about this is that the end caps on the trucks actually rotate. Well, I have to say this is a very solid release from Atlas, and I'm impressed with it. The best thing that I like about it, though, is the fact that the hatch is open. Having working detail parts like that really boosts my buy-in to a model like this. So great job, Atlas. I'll see you next time.